Alright guys, HHO Axeman back with you here. Just showing you what I've been doing to help me to get the HHO back into, get it from my cell into the car. So, I have this 3/8 inch tube right here connected to this boy right here that goes over down to the PCV valve. I've seen some people with Geos connect, like disconnect this right here and then connect it to that. I just decided just to go this route. I'm gonna have this guy right here that I just made. I've got two flashback arresters on both sides, and I've got two one-way check valves, about 6 inches in front of the flashback arresters, and then I got one more check valve right here. That's gonna be my cell is gonna be sending the gases this way. And they're going to go, one of them is going to plug in to here, go into the PCV valve. I've seen some people on YouTube going just right into the PCV valve, and that's all they were going to. I've also seen people that were going just into the air intake. So I'm going to be going into both. I'm going to have one going into the PCV valve, and then the second one, just going to have it floating right above this hole right here, or this one, going right into the carburetor. And I'm hoping that that's going to work for me. And these flashback arresters are rated at a maximum of 4 liters per minute. So that's why I've got 2 of them on there. I hope to get about 8 liters per minute. And in case that there's any accidents, I've got the extra one-way check valves. Just as added precaution, I'm also going to put another bubbler. I'm thinking about putting the bubbler right in the engine compartment, so it doesn't have to go a flash. If it gets past all this, that doesn't have to hit the bubbler. That's all the way in the back of my car. So, yeah, that is that. Just an update. And also, I kind of made a comment in my video that my cell, I was testing it, and it ended up having a bit of leaks in it. My last couple times testing it, it wasn't leaking, but as you can see, the caustic fluid from the KOH is kind of eating away at some of the metal that's not stainless. Like it's eating away a little bit at the brass and at these nuts and screws right here. There we go, focused in on it. And that, but yeah, that's it. So I mean, I was having some leakage coming in through like right here and a couple of the bolts. I've had to take the cell apart once before, and it's because I was using baking soda. Never use baking soda. That will eat away at your plates and put all kinds of crud on top of it. So I tried cleaning it out as best I could and put it back together. Wasn't good enough. So, just a warning, guys. Baking soda will give you a better reaction than just plain tap water, but you're better off to just go with a good electrolyzer like that KOH, wherever I just put that. Yeah, the KOH stuff right there. I don't sell this. Bought it off eBay. But yeah. So don't do that. So I'm hooking up my new cell right here. Gonna hook that up to the pump and everything, and also you can probably tell that's a 3/8 inch barb on that, so I have to go, instead of my 1/2 inch, going back down to 3/8. And also I'm trying to steer away from brass fittings where there's just the KOH fluid is touching it directly. So I've went to plastic on both these ends instead of the brass. It's going to be touching just a little bit of it inside of this water filter, and I hope that's going to be all of it. I also got my 3/8 inch going from here, so it's going to be coming from the filter over into here, down there, and then trying to figure out if I'm even going to use this thing or just have to buy a new small filter like this one and make it into a bubbler, and then have that one as the vaporizer. So that is my situation. I've also got this is, it says, yeah, it's zero fossil fuels design. It'd be better off if you guys would, you know, buy from Zero Fossil Fuels than from this guy. But if you want to save some money, it's probably not going to be as high a quality as Zero, because I've watched a lot of Zero's videos, and he's a good guy. He puts out good quality stuff. But I just did not have enough money to buy his cell directly. I wish I did. If I had the extra funds, I'd definitely do it. And if you have the funds, buy it from him. But I didn't, so I went that way. Bought this from like Lithuania or something like that. Alright, and then these are extra flashback arresters that I have. Some for the 3/8, some for the 1/2 inch barb. And I don't know why I had to show you that, but I did. So this was just a little update. I'm trying to get my wiring hooked up to the pulse width modulator so I can do some tests right now while it's on the bench right here and just hook it up to that air intake. So let's hope that goes all well. Alright, I'll hit you up another video soon.